So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to have 1.15 line spacing here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and just type in 1.15 spacing right here, and then type that in a few times and go to the line. I think by default for me, my spacing is set to 1 or single spacing, but if you want to change this, highlight the text right here, go to this top right area to where it says line and paragraph spacing. Make sure that 1.15 line spacing is selected, and there you go. Now, if that's not appearing for you guys, you can go to Format right here, go down to where it says line and paragraph spacing and press on 1.15, or you can go ahead and press custom spacing just like this. Make sure that 1.5 is selected, or 1.15, then press apply, and then your spacing will be done accordingly. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to have 1.15 line spacing in Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.